Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start with some topics that are some questions based on square and square roots. Though most of the topics I have covered, most of the questions I have covered, but there are some additional questions, okay, related to squares and square roots. Okay, now the first question is, what is the least number that must be subtracted from 3793 so as to get a perfect square? Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So the solution is, what is the least number? So here you need to calculate what is the least number that must be subtracted from 3793. For that, first solve 3793. 3793. So first of all, start pairing from the extreme right hand side. So here you have two pairs, right? Now 37. So the closest square number is 6 6 are 36. So the remainder is 1. 37 minus 36 will give you 1. Take this 93 down. So now you have 193. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 6, right? 6 plus 6 will give you 12. Now choose a number in such a way that you will get a number here and here, in such a way that the product of this number and this number is less than or equals to 193. So let's say 1 2 2. So 122 twos are, so 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. So 244 is greater than 193. So the only option is I must go for 1, right? So let's say I'll just change the color. Okay. So here 121 ones are ones are. So again, so it comes out to be 121 because 121 is less than 193, right? Now 3 minus 1 will give you 2 and 9 minus 2 will give you 7. So 72 is the remainder. Now 72 is the least number that must be subtracted from 3793. So this is the least number. So this is the least number to be subtracted. To be subtracted from 3793. From 3793. Okay, so this is the first part. This is the first solution of this question. Okay, now after this, subtract 72 from 3793. You will get 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 37 as it is. Now 3721, this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. Okay, this is a perfect square. Now take square root of this number. Okay, I'll change the color. So 3721, you have 3721. Again, start pairing from the extreme right hand side. 6 6 36. So 1 as a remainder. Take this 21 down. Now you have 121. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. So the only option is 1 ones are. So 121 ones are will give you 121. Okay, so the square root of, so find the square root of the number so obtained. So the square root of 3721 is equals to 61. So this is the second answer of this question. First answer is 72, this is the first answer, and 61, this is the second answer of this same question. Okay, I hope this thing is clear to you all. If not, you people are free to ask me in the Google Meet class. Okay, but before that, watch these videos that we have uploaded on Ursel for you, and submit your work on time. And if you have any doubt, you people are free to ask me. Okay, so don't confuse with this. So this is the second part. Okay, so okay, Okay, now the next question is, I hope you have noted down this thing. Okay, now the next question is, find the square root of the following numbers. Okay, now the next question is, find the square root of the following numbers. So the very first number is 23 multiplied by 25. So 23 multiplied by 25. 23 can be written as 24 minus 1, and 25 can be written as 24 plus 1. Okay, here I am going to use one identity. Okay, I'm using one different color. Okay, let's say I'll choose this color. Okay, so the algebraical identity that I'm going to use here is a plus b, and a minus b will give you a square minus b square. Okay, so a plus b bracket a minus b will give you a square minus b square. Now applying this identity here, let's say this is a and this is b and this is minus. Let's say this is a, let's say this is b, and positive sign is here. So you can apply this identity here. What you will get, a square minus b square. So you can write, I'll choose the different color. So now you can write 24 square minus 1 square, right? Now 24 square is 576. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, and 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So 576. So now you can write 576 minus 1, which is equals to 575. Okay, this is the answer. So here you have multiplied two numbers like 23 and 25 using an algebraical identity, and the algebraical identity here is, this is the algebraical identity. A plus b multiplied by a minus b will give you a square minus b square. Okay. Now the next question is 41 multiplied by 42. 41 multiplied by 42. Now the second part is 41 multiplied by 43. Okay, so 41 can be written as like this. 41 can be written as 42 minus 1, and 43 can be written as 42 plus 1. Let's say this is a minus b, and let's say this is a plus b. So in place of a I have 42, in place of b I have 1. So I can write it like this: 42 minus, sorry, 42 square minus 1 square. The reason is a square minus b square. So square of 42 will give you 42 into 42. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 16. 4, 8 plus 8, 16. This is 7. So 1764 minus 1 will give you 1763. So this is your answer. I hope the question is understood to you and how we have solved this question. But if you have any doubt, you people are free to ask me. But the problem is you people are not asking any question, even the Google Meet class. Okay. So I just request you, please ask your doubts, ask your queries, so that those doubts and queries will be solved on the same day. Okay. Now the next question is, find the square of, first is minus 3 by 7. So how you calculate this question? So the first part, square of minus 3 divided by 7. That means minus 3 divided by 7 whole square, or I can write it like this: minus 3 divided by 7 multiplied by minus 3 divided by 7. So minus minus will give you plus. 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. This is the simplest. This is the simple answer. Now second part, square of minus 9 divided by 17. Okay, so I can write it like this: minus 9 divided by 17 minus 9 divided by 17. So again minus minus plus, and 9 nines are 81, and 17 square is 7 sevens are 49, and 11 1 sevens are 7 1, so 289. So 7 square is 17 square is 289. So this is the answer. So note it down fast. So these are the squares of minus 3 divided by 7 and minus 9 divided by 17. Now the next question is, using property find the values of the following. So the question is, first part is 19 square minus 18 square. So this is the question. Again you need to use same identity, that is, okay, I'm writing that identity here, that is a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So let's say this is a and let's say this is b. So a square minus b square will give you a plus b and a minus b. So what is a here? 19 plus 18 and 19 minus 18. So 8 plus 9 will give you 7. So 37 into 1. So the answer is 37. So this is the answer. Okay. Now using the same identity, you need to use this same identity for solving 23 square and 22 square. So I'll change the color. So 23 square and 22 square. So 23 whole square minus 22 whole square. This is the second part. Let's say this is a square, this is b square. So you can write a plus b and a minus b and a minus b. What you have, a in place of a you have 23, and place of b you have 22. So this is 23 minus 22. So this will be equals to 45 into 1. So the answer is 45. So this is your answer. You have simply used the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now the next question is, find the square root of the following decimal number using division method. Okay. Sorry. So the solution is 1056. So basically you need to calculate square root of 1056.25, or what you can do is you can write it like this: 105625 divided by, when you remove this decimal you need to put two zeros in the denominator, and 100 can be written as 10 into 10, right? So you can write 105625 divided by 10 into 10. So you can write square root of 105625 divided by 10, because from this pair you can take 110 out from this square root. Okay, now you need to solve 105625 using division method. So 105625, how to solve this? Again use the division method. 105625, start pairing from the extreme right hand side, 1 2 and 3. So here I have three pairs. So 10, the square which is closest to 10 will be 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Take down this 56 with 1. 3 plus 3 will give you 6, right? add these two values, you will get 6. Now choose a value here and here in such a way which is closest to 156. Okay, so let's say 63 threes are, so 3 threes are 9, 6 threes are 18. So obviously I can't use 3 here, right? I can't use 63 into 3. So let's go for 62 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 6 twos are 12. Okay, I can go for with this value. Let's say here is 2, here is 2. So 62 twos are 124. 2 and 3. 32 is the remainder. Take down this 25 with 32. Now add this 62 with 2. Now add, okay, I'll change the color. So now add these two values, 62 with 2. Now add these two values, okay. What you will have? 64. Now you have 64. 62 plus 2 will give you 64. Now choose a value here and here in such a way which is equals to or less than 3225. So obviously I have 5 in the unit place, so I must go for 6455. That means 645 fives are. Now 5 fives are 25, 5 fours are 20, 2 22, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. So 3225. So 645 fives are, oh sorry, 645 fives are will give you 3 2 2 5 and 0 remainder. That means square root of 50105625 is 325 divided by 10, which can be written as 32.5. So this is your complete answer. So this is long division method. I hope now this method is clear to you all. If not, you people are free to ask me in the Google Meet class. Okay, this is the long division method. If you are not comfortable with long division method, you can also go for prime factorization method, but it will be very long. Okay, prime factorization method for 6-digit number, it will be very long and very hectic. Okay, so there may be chances that you will make some mistake while solving that prime factorization method. Okay, now the next question is simplify. You have a question, square root of 900 plus square root of 0.09 plus square root of 0.000009. Okay, now how to solve this question? So first I'm going to solve 900. So square root of 900 can be written as like this, 9 into 100, right? This can be written as 9 can be written as 3 threes are 9 and 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So I have two pairs right here, right? So take 1 3 and 1 10 out from this square root. What you will have? 3 into 10 out of this square root, so you have 30. Okay, so square root of 900 is equals to 30. Now next is solve square root of 0.09. So square root of 0.09 can be written as like this. Okay, I'll use some different color for the same so that it will be very visible for you to understand. Okay, so let's say I have just chosen yellow color. So 0.09. Okay, so when you remove this decimal, what you'll have? 100 in the denominator. When you remove this decimal, you will have 100 in the denominator. Now zeros have no value if they are on the LHS. Okay, if they are on the extreme left hand side. Okay, so 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So take this pair and this pair out from this square root. What you will have? 3 divided by 10, that is 0.3. Now the third is you have square root of 0.0000 and 0 and 9. I think 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros, right? 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros are here, right? Now if you remove this decimal, if you remove this decimal here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th is 9, what you'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you need to put 6 zeros on the denominator, right? One, if you remove this decimal, you need to put 6 zeros in the decimal in the denominator. Now again, this 9 can be written as 3 into 3, but here you have 6 zeros, so you can make pair of 3 zeros, right? That means 1000 multiplied by 1000. Now again you have two pairs, take 3 out of out from this one pair from the numerator and take 1000 out from this numerator. What you'll have 0.003. Now add all these three values, you will get the answer. Okay, now if you add these values, so what you'll have 30 plus 0.3. So I'll take some different color. So the result is, answer is 30 plus 0.3 plus 0.003. So if you add 30.000 with 0.300, 0.003, what you'll have, you will have 303.30. So the complete answer is 30.303. So this is your answer, and this is all for the day. Most probably in the next lecture we will start with cube and cube roots. Okay then students, thank you. And if you have any doubt students, you can ask me in the Google Meet class. Okay then, thank you all.